Covering your natural hair at night can provide numerous benefits, especially for those with textured or curly hair. Here are some key advantages. 1. Reduces friction and breakage. Using a satin or silk scarf, bonnet, or pillowcase minimizes friction between your hair and the fabric, reducing breakage, split ends, and tangles. Cotton pillowcases, on the other hand, can cause dryness and lead to breakage. 2. Retains moisture. Natural hair tends to lose moisture overnight. Satin or silk coverings help to retain the natural oils in your hair and prevent the absorption of moisture by pillowcases, keeping your hair hydrated and soft. 3. Preserves hairstyles. Covering your hair can help maintain your hairstyle, such as braids, twists, or curls, for longer periods. This reduces the need for frequent styling and minimizes damage from overmanipulation. 4. Prevents frizz. Silk and satin coverings create a smooth surface that helps to prevent frizz caused by friction, ensuring your hair stays neat and manageable. 5. Protects hair from environmental elements. Covering your hair can protect it from dust, dirt, and pollutants that might settle on your pillowcases, keeping your hair clean for longer. 6. Promotes healthy edges. By minimizing friction and tugging, covering your hair can help preserve your edges and prevent thinning or breakage in these delicate areas. 7. Enhances hair growth. When your hair is protected from damage and retains moisture, it promotes an environment conducive to healthy growth over time. For optimal results, use a satin or silk scarf, bonnet, or pillowcase, as these materials are gentle on the hair. Avoid using cotton or rough fabrics that can cause dryness and damage. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. 8. Prevents split ends. Covering your hair helps reduce the stress caused by rubbing against rough pillowcases, which can lead to split ends over time. This protection ensures smoother and healthier hair strands. 9. Protects hair from heat damage. If you use heated styling tools, covering your hair at night helps maintain the smoothness and sleekness achieved from styling, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups and lowering heat exposure. 10. Encourages even product distribution. When you moisturize or apply treatments before bed, a hair covering helps keep the products in place. This ensures better absorption and even distribution throughout the night, enhancing your hair's health. 11. Minimizes shedding. Natural hair is prone to shedding due to dryness and friction. Covering your hair can reduce unnecessary hair fall by maintaining moisture and reducing breakage from nightly tossing and turning. 12. Improves scalp health. A covered head reduces exposure to allergens and irritants on pillowcases, which can contribute to itchiness or scalp issues. This promotes a healthier scalp environment for hair growth. 13. Reduces morning styling time. By preserving your hairstyle and reducing tangling, you save time and effort during your morning hair care routine, leaving your hair ready to style or wear as is. 14. Prevents pillowcase staining. If you use oils, creams, or other hair products at night, covering your hair prevents these products from transferring onto your pillowcase, keeping your bedding cleaner. 15. Encourages consistent hair care routine. The act of covering your hair at night builds a consistent routine, which can positively impact your overall hair health by promoting regular moisturizing and care practices. 16. Promotes confidence in natural hair care. Taking steps to protect your hair at night can boost your confidence by ensuring your hair stays healthy, beautiful, and easier to manage. 17. Supports protective styles. If you have protective styles like braids, twists, or weaves, covering your hair ensures these styles last longer while reducing the chances of frizz or unraveling. 18. Prevents scalp dryness. Hair coverings can reduce the exposure of your scalp to cold, dry air, especially during colder months, helping to retain its natural moisture and prevent flakiness or dryness. By incorporating this habit into your nightly routine and using satin or silk materials, you can maximize these benefits for healthier, well-maintained hair. 19. Enhances elasticity. Covering your hair helps maintain its natural elasticity by preventing excessive dryness and brittleness, which can lead to breakage and a loss of curl pattern definition. 20. Prevents scalp irritation. For those with sensitive scalps, covering your hair reduces exposure to environmental particles like dust and lint, which can cause irritation or clog hair follicles. 21. Encourages length retention. By minimizing breakage, split ends, and tangling, covering your hair at night helps retain length over time, supporting your hair growth goals. 22. Promotes even heat distribution. If you use warming treatments, like hot oil treatments, overnight, a covering helps distribute heat evenly, making the treatment more effective. 23. Reduces oil overproduction. When your hair is protected and retains moisture, your scalp may produce less excess oil to compensate for dryness, keeping your hair balanced and less greasy. 24. Protects color-treated hair. For those with dyed or chemically treated hair, covering it reduces exposure to elements that can strip or dull the color, keeping it vibrant for longer. 25. Improves sleep comfort. Using a satin or silk covering can make sleeping more comfortable by reducing the pull and friction of hair against your head or bedding, particularly for long, thick, or curly hair. 26. Prevents hair thinning. Hair coverings help reduce stress on fragile areas of the hairline and crown, lowering the chances of thinning or receding in those areas. 27. Minimizes knots in longer hair. For individuals with longer hair, covering it prevents hair from tangling into knots that can be painful and damaging to dead angle in the morning. 28. Balances natural oils. A covering helps spread the natural oils produced by your scalp throughout your strands, preventing buildup at the roots and dryness at the ends. 29. Protects against environmental allergies. If you suffer from allergies, covering your hair keeps allergens like pollen, pet dander, and dust out of your hair, reducing irritation and flare-ups. 30. Reduces seasonal damage. During winter, hair can become brittle due to dry air, and during summer, humidity can cause frizz. Covering your hair helps mitigate these seasonal effects. 31. Prevents hair accessories from snagging. If you sleep with hairpins, clips, or ties in your hair, covering it ensures these accessories don't snag or cause unnecessary tension on your strands. 32. Encourages mindful hair care practices. Covering your hair at night fosters a routine that keeps you more mindful of your hair's health and maintenance needs. 33. Helps with transitioning to natural hair. If you're transitioning from chemically treated hair to natural hair, covering it at night protects the new growth and prevents damage to the fragile demarcation line. 34. Boosts confidence in hair health. Knowing you're taking an active step to protect your hair can provide peace of mind and enhance your confidence in your hair care regimen. 35. Reduces stress on the scalp. A hair covering prevents tension caused by hair pulling or catching on bedding, which can also help alleviate scalp tenderness over time. The consistent use of protective coverings, combined with a good hair care routine, ensures healthier, more manageable hair. Choose high-quality satin or silk for maximum benefits. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Until next time, bye.